you. This is Fox 2 News at 5.
In that box right there, Gatorade and chips being delivered to golfers on the 10th hole right over there. It's a new age of technology. We're going to explain how it all works in today's Drone Zone.
Drone deliveries are expected to explode in popularity over this decade. Companies are betting they'll be a faster and cheaper option.
And Taryn, one local golf course is already testing the new technology to bring golfers their food and drink orders. Fox 2's Derek Kevler with the story.
It takes a lot to make a golfer happy.
Yeah.
So you can't help them with their shot or anything like that.
Yeah.
If they miss their putt, they're still mad. But
if they miss their putt and say they want a beer, we can deliver them a beer.
Your drive might not be straight, but these drones are as they test a futuristic delivery service in the sky over lakes of Taylor Golf Club.
We have a drone that is taking food from the clubhouse over to one of the holes and is delivering into a drone-friendly mailbox.
The collaborative task for Airspace Link, Zing drone deliveries, DRONEDEK, and Aerotropolis was both simple and complex to drop off Gatorade and chips to golfers on the 10th hole.
They'll be able to order it using an app. The runner takes it out to the drone flies it out to that person wherever they are at on the course. Today we're doing it to a dedicated location, and they receive their food.
The tech companies, most starting up right here in Southeast Michigan, know the job of figuring out the future of drones is difficult. But it's happening.
I don't know if it's going to be pharmaceutical delivery to residential homes. I don't know if it's going to be a sixer to hole 16. What we want to do is lay out that infrastructure.
With a crowd on hand to watch, the pressure is on.
Are you all nervous right now?
A little bit.
The drone takes off and whips around the golf course with a goal of dropping the snacks inside a drone deck, which is essentially a smart mailbox.
The drone will approach, it'll send an authentication protocol, and we have a QR code on top, and it authenticates, make sure it's the right drone delivery to the right drone deck. The door will open, the contents will drop in.
And success!
In the next 2 years, you will have the ability to potentially order products from your favorite retailer, and the option for same-day delivery. You will start to have the option for 30-minute delivery.
You could call it a hole-in-one. For Drone Zone, Derek Kevler, Fox 2 News.
I can't wait for the future.